Hello everyone, welcome back to InfoMinutes. In this video, we are going to see Google's new update. Google has launched the Street View feature on its maps, offering 360-degree, panoramic and street-level imagery. The feature is available across Chennai, Bengaluru, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Nashik, Vadodara, Ahmednagar and Amritsar. Open the Google Maps app. Tap the Layers icon at the right top corner. In the pop-up window, select Street View as the map type. Blue lines on the map indicate Street View coverage. Tap on any blue line to enter Street View. Use forward and backward arrow to move front and back. Finding an address is no longer difficult. Google aims to expand the feature to 50 cities by the end of 2022. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for checking this out. I'll see you in the next video.